Hello, my name is Michael Pryde. I am the owner and founder of Chapter2 Bikes, based here in Auckland, New Zealand. When I first had the idea for Chapter2, I was looking for a design partner that I could work with to travel the whole journey from start to finish. And a number of people I spoke to said Sam Allen and Onfire were the people I needed to talk to. So I did a little bit of research online and saw that they had actually been doing a number of different bike projects over the years. And for me, understanding the culture of cycling was the key element that really made this whole project work. And when I sat down with Sam and I described what I wanted to do, he got it, he understood it. And that for me was how the journey started. I really felt that with Chapter2, we had to do everything that was all about design. So instead of just the pure engineering side, which is related to performance of the actual product, we actually spent a lot of time on the aesthetics. And I think, these days when you're buying a bicycle, the emotional part is just as important as the technical part. So we wanted to touch the consumer from the emotional level to make sure that they really understood the brand and the aesthetic we were trying to achieve. I think we've really differentiated ourselves from a lot of the other competitors in the market by the fact that we have a brand positioning which is quite unique. It's very connected to New Zealand and the road less traveled, about the outdoors and about exploring nature. I mean, as a cyclist, I've always been out riding for years and years up in the mountains and explored areas that I've never been before. And I think it's that sense of exploration that really drives me to want to design new products and to develop new designs that really suits the environment. And whilst other brands have seasons where they bring out one product every 12 months, we're effectively evolving our designs all the time graphically. So every 5 to 6 months, we bring out a different limited edition design. And it's really, really important for us. And we're working with Onfire Design to develop something that's really unique. And I think we've achieved that in a very, very eloquent way. As a designer with a new brand, you can always ask the customer what they want, but sometimes you almost got to devoid yourself from what the customer wants and actually do what feels right for you as a brand. So we've been quite edgy with our graphic design and our presentation of the product. And I think this has kind of really paid dividends, and I think we have a very strong product in the offering. I'm quite naturally a competitive individual. I've been racing bikes most of my life. So when we enter a lot of these design competitions, it's really good to get vindication that the design aesthetic, the direction, the overall philosophy that we're going down is actually the correct one. And winning the things like the Best Award is really good justification for that. As a design-led company, we really thought design would put us on the map. And of course, throughout the whole journey of designing and developing Chapter2, we always question about what we're doing, whether there are any doubts, whether it was correct or wrong. But I think with Onfire, we had a great partner, and we really felt the finished product was delivered exactly what we wanted.